How to control smart cameras on Google Home. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set it up. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon, and here on the top, tap on device. So this is the place where you can directly add the device. So here, tap on search for device and tap on next. So make sure you have your Bluetooth device on, and also make sure you have your location services on. So it will take some time. And now here, this is the place where you can customize and select different things. Here on the top, simply select on camera, and here you can even identify the camera that you have inside your home. So here, simply tap on one. So now you can directly add the code or scan the QR to add your camera inside Google Home. After doing this, it will automatically set up, and later all the controls will be from Google Home. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.